Mike back at Spyder Rider Extras. Tonight I'm going to let everybody take a look at a new muffler I installed. The standard, the OEM muffler just didn't have enough sound for me. So I went with the Akrapovic muffler. It's a Sinister muffler. Actually, it's in collaboration with Can-Am, so it is street legal. Very simple to put in. It's just one bolt and a hanger. You take the old one off, put the new one on, hang it, put the bolt back on, and you're done. It takes like 5 to 10 minutes. I like it because it has a carbon accents and it has 3 outlets in the back for the exhaust gases. I'm going to go ahead and start my bike and let it idle so you can hear it idle. And then we'll rev it. And that's my muffler. Of course, you can tell. I think it sounds awesome. Leave comments, let me know what you think. And again, that's the Sinister muffler by Akrapovic. Thanks for joining me.